What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. We got over 76,000 unique viewers watching the channel that have yet to subscribe. So if you're one of these people that rock with me, you appreciate this content, and do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. So this video is for those, I want to say shout out to PAP Vision for one of the people that I remember requesting how to do this. Also a few others in the comments, they said, you know, rare cards, raw cards. Let me see what his name is, because he's been rocking with me hard lately, so I want to really properly shout him out. But who is this? I'm gonna teach y'all, you know, how to buy bone for those that have been asking though. As well as leash, but raw cards and collectibles. That's his name. So salute. Those two were one of the main two that I seen just recently asking me. A few others asked me before that, but we about to get to it right now. So how to buy bone the fastest way. So first things first, you're gonna want to have, you know, your cell phone. This is the simplest way that I can think of to tell y'all to do it. Of course, there's other ways to do it, but I'm just trying to show y'all the fastest way that I know of. So first, you're gonna need two apps. If you're brand new to crypto, if you haven't done anything, you're gonna need these two apps. Most of you watching might already have Coinbase, but some of you might not have the second app that you'll need. So go to the app store, right? Type in Coinbase, just like you see it spelled here. Type in Coinbase, and then two apps will pop up. This one will pop up, and Coinbase Wallet will pop up. Now be careful, they'll show you an ad at the top. The first one you see will not be Coinbase Wallet. They're gonna show you an advertisement. So make sure you actually read it, and it says Coinbase and then Coinbase Wallet. You wanna download those two apps. So first off, Coinbase is a centralized exchange. Coinbase is basically like a bank. They make you KYC, so you have to provide, you know, your I believe ID at least, or social security number, something of that sort, so they can actually know who you are. And then they'll allow you to create an account, and with that account you can buy Ethereum, Bitcoin, you know, the top cryptocurrencies that they have listed. So the reason why you need this second app, Coinbase Wallet, because it is a DeFi wallet, basically a decentralized wallet that allows you to hold your own cryptocurrency, not on a centralized exchange. Now, this DeFi wallet, you need Coinbase in order to fund the DeFi wallet. You need to buy Ethereum on Coinbase. So you want to buy Ethereum on the first app, the one at the top, Coinbase. Buy Ethereum there, and then you will send it to the Coinbase wallet. So basically, in order to create this Coinbase wallet, I'm gonna show you an article here that Coinbase, you know, released on how to buy bone on Shiba Swap. So check this out. Some cryptocurrencies like bone can only be purchased with another cryptocurrency on decentralized exchanges. To buy bone Shiba Swap, you'll need to first purchase Ethereum and then use ETH to buy bone. And to do that, you need what's called a self-custody wallet. Here's how to do that using Coinbase Wallet for US residents. So this is for US residents. It may work for those in other places as well. You just got to try. So first step, download Coinbase Wallet. A self-custody wallet like Coinbase Wallet is required to purchase bone. Coinbase Wallet is available as a mobile app and browser extension. So you can download Coinbase Wallet here by clicking this. And then step 2, choose a Coinbase Wallet username. As part of setting up your Coinbase Wallet, you will need to choose a username. This username lets other Coinbase Wallet users easily send you crypto. You can keep your username private, but you will need one to access the account. So securely store your recovery phrase. So when you create a new self-custody wallet, you'll be given a recovery phrase that consists of 12 random words. The recovery phrase is the key to your crypto, meaning anyone with your recovery phrase has access to your crypto. Do not share your recovery phrase with anyone. We strongly recommend writing these down on a piece of paper and storing them securely, as well as using Coinbase Wallet Cloud backup feature. Remember, do not share your recovery phrase with anyone. Coinbase will never ask you for your recovery phrase. And if you lose your recovery phrase, Coinbase cannot help you access your wallet. So this is something that's very important. I gotta mention to y'all. When you get this the string of 12 words, it's important that you write it down. Don't just screenshot it in your phone. Maybe if you know you need to do it for just a moment until you can write it down, but I don't recommend that. I recommend you writing it down on a piece of paper. storing it inside of a safe, or bank safety deposit box, somewhere where it is extremely secure, maybe wherever you store your birth certificate, somewhere like that nobody has access to. Because if someone gets these 12 words, they basically can open up your account from anywhere. They won't need any more verification except for those 12 words. It's called your seed phrase. So once they have your seed phrase, they can open your account and drain it, take everything you have. So make sure you write this down, put it away, don't share with anyone. Don't ever fall for any tricks with people asking you for your seed phrase, or places telling you to enter your seed phrase. You don't enter that anywhere. Just, keep that in mind. Now, step 4, understand and plan for Ethereum network fees. Fees vary based on how busy the network is, how complicated the transaction is, and how fast you like the transaction completed. Plan to set aside some money for fees. Learn more about Ethereum fees here. So just a quick rundown on fees. Whenever you're doing a transaction over the Ethereum network, it requires some gas. So they charge you basically a couple bucks, or sometimes we see Ethereum gas fees up to a few $100s per transaction, just to be able to move, just to be able to buy these other tokens. Now, it's less expensive right now than it usually is, so you definitely may want to take advantage of it while the price is low. But just keep that in mind. You always need a little extra gas in order to complete your transactions. It sounds, it can be a hard thing for beginner people to get over in crypto, because, in stocks and other basic crypto like Bitcoin, once you want to buy Bitcoin, you could just buy Bitcoin with cash, or, right away, the amount you want to buy, you can buy it straight through without paying any fees, or maybe the transaction fee from the exchange, but not an actual gas fee. So that's a big hurdle I noticed for beginner investors to get over. But I just want to let y'all know that is there. So just always have a little extra. So let's say if you want to do a transaction to buy, let's say $100 worth of bone, then make sure you have, maybe 20 bucks, 30 bucks, maybe, 30 extra dollars set to the side just for gas fees to be able to make that transaction go through. So then you can use your ETH to buy bone in the trade tab. So if you're using Coinbase Wallet on your mobile phone, you can purchase bone right in the app. Tap on the icon, the Coinbase Wallet icon, then tap trade, where you can swap ETH for any token that runs on the Ethereum standard. So tap to choose coin and select bone Shiba Swap. Input the ETH amount you like to exchange for bone, and remember to leave enough for transaction fees. So you can go on your Coinbase Wallet app, tap on the Coinbase Wallet icon on the trade tab. So somebody's calling me right now, but and then once you click on the trade icon, you can swap ETH for any token. Or what you can do here, you can do it that way, or you can come over here to Shiba Swap and connect your wallet. So what you'll do is go to shibaswap.com, or you can just make sure you go to the official SHIB token page, click on the links they have there, and they'll have the official Shiba Swap link right there, so you can make sure you're not clicking on the scam. Please be careful. Do not click any scams, because once you connect your wallet to any scams, it's a wrap for you. They're going to basically, ring you out. So once you come to the official real Shiba Swap website, connect your wallet. You can connect your Coinbase wallet. You'll just click on that. The options will pop up. You click the Coinbase wallet that you want to connect, and then you'll either scan it. They'll have like a QR code pop up. You'll click that option on your phone to scan it, and then once you scan it, your wallet will connect, and it'll show you how many ETH that you have inside of your wallet, or the value of how much ETH you have in your wallet. And then what you can do is click this question mark here. Let me try to zoom in a little bit so y'all can see it better. Once you click connect wallet right here, this gray bar, select the option of Coinbase Wallet, or if you have any other wallets, you could do that as well, but we're using Coinbase Wallet for this example. You'll connect it, and then swap your Ethereum. It'll tell you how much Ethereum you have. So remember, you had to send Ethereum from your Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet. And I'm assuming most of y'all know how to do that part. If you don't know how to send one crypto from another wallet to another wallet, it's very, very simple. You just click on the asset that you want to send, and then you open up the wallet, click the send, copy the address that you want to send it to, and paste it in there. There is a ton of less than 3-minute YouTube videos that will show you how to do that. So I'm assuming y'all already know how to do that part. So come click the question mark, then you'll type in bone. it'll pop up here, it'll say Bone, and then it'll allow you to swap your Ethereum for Bone. And then here it will say like trade or buy, and you'll just click that button, and once you do that, it'll swap your Ethereum for Bone, and then you will have Bone inside of your Coinbase wallet. So that's how you buy Bone. Hopefully this video was helpful. You know, I see a lot of people, you know, FOMOing in. I wish, you know, a lot of y'all would have subscribed, had notifications on sooner, because then you would have been able to buy Bone under 40 cents or right around that range. But it's not too late. You know, I told y'all I think Bone can run up to possibly $5 to $10 by the time Shibarium is released. So still very early. Right now, if we take a look at Bone, let me see. The price is up 7.5%, sitting at $2.08. So earlier we made that video. It was it was at like $1.93, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So Bone is definitely still moving. So let's see. So this is what I wanted to show y'all as well. So you see here, when you click Connect Wallet on Shiba Swap, you click Connect Wallet, it'll say Coinbase Wallet, and you just click this option here, and it'll connect it'll pop up a QR code that you can scan, and then you go to Coinbase Wallet on your phone, click the app, open up the QR scanner, and then you scan it, and then it will connect your computer, or you know, whatever you're using, it'll connect it to the Shiba Swap. So that's it for this video. Hopefully y'all found this helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you will be buying Bone. Also, go check out the last video I just dropped on what I'm about to do with Shiba Inu. You don't want to miss out on this information. You know, I'm trying to present it to y'all so y'all have the earliest opportunity to make the most money as possible. Don't get left chasing candles. That's all we got for this video. I'm DecemberDeMarco.